So this is the most beautiful building here in Spain, here in Madrid during Christmas. Welcome to the Four Seasons Hotel. This is located near the Puerta del Sol and Metro Sevilla, I guess. And this is the Four Seasons Hotel. So let's go closer. As you can see, there are lots of people here. It's Wednesday in the afternoon. And next to these hotels, you can see also different Christmas lights brightly shining. In this one of the most busiest part of Madrid, central Madrid. So let's see what's going on here. Actually, in front of the hotel, the Four Seasons Hotel, you have here another hotel. Yeah, so there are Christmas balls, huge Christmas balls here, where you can see also people taking videos here in front, taking photos rather and videos in front of the Four Seasons Hotel. There are huge Christmas balls, color gold, green, and red. Tons of locals and tourists. So again, we are here at the Four Seasons Hotel here in Madrid. This is the Galeria Canalejas. And it's 6:30 and the crowd is like this. You expect more people during Saturdays, where you can expect crowd, building of crowd over here. There are lots of photographers. I could also see some tourists here. Obviously, they are speaking language which is obviously not Castellano or Spanish. So. Okay, let's get closer. Actually, it's so difficult, guys, to take or get some photos here in front of the Four Seasons Hotel. So what other people are doing, they are going here like early in the morning or late night, between 1 o'clock, I guess, until 5 a.m. where obviously there's no crowd. So this is one of the photographers. We have here a place, a spot, wherein I think this one is spacious. And here, from here you can take photo. There's a huge bear. He is asking for help, monetary, financial help. So this is the Four Seasons Hotel. If you're going to take a photo or a video from here, it is so far that you know, there are two plants over here. They are distraction, and the bear over there. So I guess this is not the best place to take photo unless the bear is not here, right? Okay, so if we are going closer next to the bear, the big bear, it got some fans. So from here, I think you can get the best photo. Okay, so right. I think this is the best spot to take photos. I feel like the Galeria Canalejas is more than 10 meters high. So probably it's like 12. There are there are 4-story hotel. I think it's a 5-star hotel. That's the meaning of number 5 over there. There's a clock on top. Can we zoom? Yeah, there's a clock over there. So it's Centro Canalejas. And this is 5. I think it's 5-star. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong. So this is the Christmas tree. Full of ornaments, decorations, Every year, um, people gather here, stuck here to take photos here at the Galleria Canelajas or the Four Seasons Hotel. And okay, let's go this way. The bear got out. Look what happened to the bear. Okay, there's a lot of people, guys. So the bear is finished with his job. You can be stylish or fashionable during this cold days. It's very cold here, as you can see the outfit of the people. There are lots of people here, guys, going here every year. I think this is the most brilliant, most beautiful building here in Madrid. Okay. Here you can see this way is actually going to the Plaza Mayor. No, Puerta del Sol rather. Yes, Plaza Mayor. Puerta del Sol, this way. Where people are taking videos. This place. Yeah, this place. It's beautiful, guys. So that's the Christmas tree at Puerta del Sol, right over there. So this alley or this road, it has also lots of Christmas trees everywhere. It's picturesque, picture perfect. Okay, let's go back to the Galleria Canelajas. Wow. Yeah, that's it. Oh my God. In Philippines, we call it maganda. Ang ganda. Yes. And of course, if it's beautiful, you expect lots of tourists. So they would explore the place. There are like candy canes. There are two nutcrackers below or in the entrance of the building. Candy canes, candy snaps, ornaments. So basically that's it. Okay guys, it's happened that you're going to visit Madrid. This is every year, so if you can't go here or this year, you can visit this next year. It is just located near the Puerta del Sol. So again, this is Puerta del Sol. Okay. And this is the Galleria Canelajas or the Four Seasons building here in Madrid, Spain. Thank you very much. Muchas gracias for watching and supporting my channel, Nathaniel Travels. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe. Feel free to subscribe. Thank you very much. Merry Christmas and happy holidays to everyone. Bye!
Que sale todo.